I'm Lori Highby, CEO and founder of Keystone Click. A target market is comprised of a number of different things, and it could really vary depending on who it is that you're getting in front of. What's important is that there's a common denominator amongst the individuals or companies that you're getting in front of. So that could be age, that could be job title, location, annual income. A number of different variables could be involved in a target market. It's really important to identify your target market because it makes it a lot easier for you to communicate and create a message that's going to ultimately resonate with that audience that you're trying to reach. The way that you build a customer profile is getting clarity on the ins and outs of that target customer that you're trying to get in front of. You want to understand their pains, you want to understand what motivates them, you want to really understand the ins and outs of where they're getting their information. And the way you use that information is to help get clarity on that message that's going to ultimately resonate with that ideal customer you're trying to get in front of. When you're getting specific with a customer profile or that target audience, the more details, the better. The more that you can focus on and really kind of carve out that niche persona, the easier it's going to be for you to craft messaging that's going to make it easy for you to connect with that audience. When Keystone Click identified our target market, manufacturing and construction, it did have a major impact on our business. Now we know where to spend our time and energy and dollars on positioning our messaging to get in front of that ideal audience. Also, those in our community know right away that if someone is in manufacturing or construction and needs marketing support, our name becomes top of mind.